So recently got a new query. So let's see. Spent 180 euro on Google Ads for car detailing client and got 3 leads. What am I doing wrong? Maximum clicks versus manual CPC versus maximize conversion. So let's see your question. It's not yet clear to me. Hi Ali. Hello. I could really use some advice. Okay, glad. I'm running Google search campaigns for a client in car detailing, mainly PPF, paint protection, film installs, service based lead generation. Okay, so you're running a search campaign for a client in car detailing, mainly with PPF service. I'm pretty new to Google Ads, but I'm a web designer and I build conversion focused websites all the time. Okay, so it's driving me crazy that people are landing on the site and just not converting. Here's what I did. I researched keywords with decent search volume and also checked what competitors seems to target. How did you check it? How did you check it? Also, I made strong negative keyword list. Show me the list. I don't know what's your. I'm using phrase match plus exact match. Okay, good combination. The phrase match and exact match is a good combination. I suggest you. And the bidding strategy is maximize clicks. For new campaigns, I always recommend to go with maximize clicks. So yeah, you are right even over here as well. So budget is 12 euro a day. After about 20 days, we roughly spent about 180 euros and got only 3 conversions. Across the whole account, it's 8 conversions total in the last 90 days. And Microsoft Clarity, okay, good, you are using the Microsoft Clarity to analyze your user behavior. I can see people browsing and scrolling, but they don't submit the form. The landing page feels solid to me, and I usually don't see websites perform this badly when traffic intent is good, which makes me think the campaign might be bringing the wrong type of clicks. Now I'm stuck on what to do next because I keep reading different opinions. Is maximize clicks the reason I'm getting low intent traffic? Should I switch to manual CPC to control the auction better? And yes, if it was a simple way to set up properly, or should I just switch to maximize conversions right away though I only have a few conversions? Or could the problem with the keywords, which I don't think, because also big competitors also target these keywords. Okay, so I think for now the maximize clicks is a bidding strategy. You do not need to change. You need to go with your maximize click bidding strategy. It's good, it's okay, it's fine. You may need more conversions before you move to the maximize conversions or any other bidding strategy. If I were you, I may look around for the search terms to figure and analyze new negative keywords where the people are clicking and not getting not converting. And second thing is, I may create dedicated campaigns or a dedicated ad groups for those keywords through which I got my 8 conversions in total. 3 conversions in 20 days and 8 conversions in total in 90 days. So if I can select, let's say they are the 3 keywords which gave me 8 conversions, I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a 3 ad groups, one for each keyword, which is converting like a gold mine. And if that is not possible, the better strategy could be I could even create a new campaign for those, because I want to spend my maximum budget on those keywords through which I'm getting conversions. So that is a scenario. Why I am preferring to create a new campaign instead of the ad group is because I can control my budget allocation on that specific keyword. I could spend more on it because your budget 12 euro a day is little less. I recommend you to increase your budget as well. Instead of going through the 20 days, increase your budget to 25 or 30 euros a day and reduce it. And probably see, if you look around on the days on which days those conversions happen, this can give you an idea. If none of them was converted during a weekend, because car detailing niche can work on weekend as well. So because people do it on most on the weekend, so I do not know what's your specific scenario is, but in this type of campaigns I usually recommend spending more on weekends. So because people are most likely to avail this service in the weekend, unlike other services. So my opinion would be to spend more on weekend, but only if the data reflects it. So look around on when people are getting more converted and then spend on it. So yeah, just follow these strategies. As a web designer, you may know much about landing page, so I won't say much about landing page, but I think an urgency factors like a countdown timer or a few things can add can increase your sales a lot on your landing page, because it can bring urgency and people are visiting your website as you told in the clarity, and they are not working well. So in order to do that, follow this strategy. and this may help you. Also look around on your location targeting settings and see if are there any specific timings when people are converting more. Look around for those timings as well, and create specific campaigns for those timings so you can spend more budget on those timings to get more sales. So yeah, just follow these strategies to get good sales with your car detailing company on Google Ads, and maximize clicks is a good strategy for now. So I hope this answers your question and query. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.